Well, that was quick.
Sup?
I'm ready.
Whoa, whoa. We haven't really done anything yet, just wanna talk.
Oh, okay, I'm fine with that.
Nice.
Okay, so, what's wrong with your clothes? Why does it look like that?
What do you mean?
Your clothes. They're too big.
What? No, they're not.
Yeah. They're too big.
Shoot him.
About time.
What? How are you? When did you—
What's wrong, asshole? Weren't you gonna slice me in pieces? Caillou.
You lit she-a-a-a-a-I.
Goddamn. Wait, what? Oh, come on. Ooch. Damn it.
Damn you.
Well, fuck you. Whoa, I almost failed. Og. Hup. Oh, wow, there goes my back, again.
Denji, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Do you have anything you're fighting for right now? Just anything.
What I'm fighting for right now? To protect my current lifestyle, that's all.
Really? Does being a devil hunter provide you some extra payments?
Not really. There's this annoying girl who lies a lot, and a really tough guy. But overall I like my job.
That's nice.
Yeah, and, after killing you, Miss Makima would be joyful.
Oh, well. Give up. You can't kill me, Denji.
Oh, you think you're better than me, and acting like you already won, huh? Well, I'm still standing here alive.
You goddamn idiot.
What? Huh? Wait a goddamn second. Where did he go? Oh.
Oh god, why me? Why me? Why fucking me?
Wake your ass up. The fight isn't over.
Give me a break. Whoa, ow. My back. Sorry about that. Wait, what? Not that move. That's just unfair. My frickin' arm. God damn it. Look, can we ban that move? It's unfair.
No.
Oh come on. Oh come on.
So, Denji, before I kill you, apologize about my clothing.
What the actual hell do you mean?
You know, like you said my clothes were too big, and I kinda got pissed. So apologize.
Are you actually serious right now?
Yeah.
'Cause I'm not done fighting.
Just give up already, kid. Just say sorry before you fall. At least apologize before dying. I mean, I get that I'm acting all braggy and all that.
I'm sorry, and thank you for aiming for the head.
What?